Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to share how to adjust mouse sensitivity on your MacBook. First, go ahead and open up your system settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Mouse. Click on that, and you'll see an option called Tracking Speed. Here, if you drag it to the left, the pointer moves slower, and if you drag it to the right, the pointer moves faster. Go ahead and test it out to find a speed that feels right for you. This setting applies to both the Magic Mouse and third-party mice. Besides that, there's another setting you need to know about: pointer acceleration. Click on the Advanced button, and here you'll see the pointer acceleration toggle. When pointer acceleration is on, if you flick your mouse quickly, the cursor flies further than usual. But if you move the mouse slowly and gently, the cursor moves slower and with more precision. That means for the same physical distance you move on your desk, the result on the screen changes depending on whether you move your hand fast or slow. When pointer acceleration is off, the cursor moves evenly and steadily. If you move your mouse a fixed distance on the desk, the cursor travels a fixed distance on the screen, no matter how fast or slow you swipe. It feels more natural and predictable. So, if you do work that needs high precision, or you're gaming and want total control over the cursor, many people prefer turning pointer acceleration off. But if you have to cross a large screen often without lifting your mouse constantly, you might want to try turning it on to see if it fits your style. I prefer not to use pointer acceleration, so I keep it off. Also, if you have a Magic Mouse, you can customize more options under the More Gestures section. But if you just want to adjust mouse sensitivity, the tracking speed slider is all you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video from Easy Tech Steps.